Hello traders and investors, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video for the first week of trading in July 2023. This will be the longer version. In the longer version I will get into more details and I will explain my thinking and what I think can happen next week and how I will respond to each scenario. But first I will give you a little background. For the past 11 days, Bitcoin is consolidating in a very tight range. Tight ranges don't hold. Usually they break either to the up or to the downside. The range high is at 31.5K. The range low is at 29,500. Okay, even if we pull a fixed range volume, you can see that the range is even tighter because the value area high is at 30,800 and the value area low of this range is at 30,000. So this is a very tight range. Tight ranges don't hold. They have to move. Something's got to give, whether it's up or down. So the million Satoshi question every trader is asking himself or herself is, what will happen? Will it break up or down? The answer is that I don't know. Not only me. If someone tells you that he knows what is going to happen, then be careful. This guy is arrogant, and the market humbles arrogant people. So what do we do when we don't know what will happen? We prepare contingency plans. So the contingency plan A is if price moves below the range. This is the easiest scenario, okay? Because if price moves below the range low, below 29,500, then I will be waiting at the 0.382 fib extension at 28,700 or so, okay? As a buyer, because if price moves below the range low, it is most probably a liquidity grab, okay? Because we have a lot of liquidity below this range. You can see we have a liquidity pool here, and we have an additional liquidity pool here. Now I don't find it likely that Bitcoin will go below the 0.5 fib extension. It's at around 28,000, but the 28,500, 28,700 is likely. You must remember that the 28,500 is historically a very important resistance and support level. So if the first move is down, it's easy. You wait below the range low at the fib levels, and once you see a reaction, you buy and you ride it until the range high, at least until the range high. So this is the easy scenario. The second scenario is not that easy, because what could happen is that because next week is supposed to be a slow week because it is the 4th of July and there are bank holidays and many people will be on vacations, so there will not be much trading volume. So Bitcoin could consolidate for the next week until the 7th of July. On the 7th of July, the unemployment numbers and the non-farm payrolls will be published, and I expect this data to create volatility. So assuming that this data will be bullish for the markets, I think that it is most probable that Bitcoin will move above the range high. Above the range high to where? Approximately above 31.5K, and maximum is 33K. The 33K level is extremely significant. If you remember, during the bear market, this was the first point of support, and we started a redistribution range from the 33K level. So such a significant level will not be broken on the first try. There's no way it's going to happen, at least in my opinion. So I will be a seller above the range high. Maybe the top that it could make it is to the 33K level. Okay, so this is the second plan. Now, you know that history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. It's an old cliche in the trading business. But where did we see such a consolidation at the move up? On March. Look, consolidation, sharp move up, and then a correction. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this fractal and copy this fractal, and let's see what we see. What do we see? Amazing. What did I tell you? Consolidation, move up above the range high, 33K level resistance, and a correction down. If this scenario unfolds, I expect the 29,500 or the 30K level to be the new support for Bitcoin. So that's it. This is my plan for the following week, the first trading week of July 2023. If you follow me on TradingView, I have a much more detailed version of the possible scenarios, and I invite you to take a look. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please press like. If you didn't like this video, it's even better. If you don't agree with me, if you think that maybe I'm wrong, please shoot me an email or write in the comments what you think and why you think I'm wrong, and together we will find the true path. Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you all the best.